Hello there and welcome back. So today I'm sharing with you my most requested recipe from my friends and everybody else that eat the chickpeas that are made with this recipe. They're always asking me how I made them. So buckle up, get your favorite drink, and let's get started. So I started off by heating my cooking oil, then sauteed my onions. And for the sauce, I'm grilling tomatoes, garlic, red bell peppers, onions, and some carrots. And the amount is just what you can see in this video. And by the way, I got the red bell peppers from my vegetable garden. And then I clean them up one more time and I continue to cut them into my desired sizes. I then sprinkled some cooking oil. And then I lined them up on my tray, and I already set up my oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can prepare your vegetables for the sauce in many different ways. I mostly steam my vegetables, but today I want to try something different. I want to make some smoky chickpeas. And you can introduce the smokiness by grilling your vegetables. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and blend them into a puree. On this other side, our onions are ready. I went ahead and added our sauce into the pot and continue cooking. You can add the tomato paste and cook it for some few minutes before you add the sauce, but I remember the tomato paste after I had already added the sauce, so take note of that. At this point, I'm blending the second batch of our grilled vegetables and herbs, and I also added some fresh ginger. And because the sauce is very thick, I went ahead and rinsed off the blender so we can make sure that you're not wasting anything, and added everything into the pot. Cover it up And this is the tomato paste that I had forgotten. Remember to cook your tomato paste soon after you saute your onions. Right here, I'm just loosening up the tomato paste with some warm water, and then I added it into the cooking pot. And we are making sure we are not wasting anything. I then give it a quick mix. Cover it up and let it cook for a few minutes. And as you can see, our sauce is coming up very well. And here are the spices you must have for you to achieve that delicious flavor from the Wakeboy Kitchen's chickpeas. We have the beef bouillon or beef seasoning, the curry powder, paprika, and black pepper. Give it a quick mix. And for this recipe, I'm gonna give you the amount of the spices I used at the end of this video. I also use cream in my chickpeas. You can use coconut cream or whipped cream. For this recipe, I'm using whipped cream. Give it a quick mix. At this point, I've also added some more beef seasoning, curry powder, and paprika. This is to give me the result that I'm looking for. And at this point, I want to say a big thank you to my 1,000 subscribers. Yay, we made it. Thank you so much, and may God bless you so much. Let's continue to like, share, comment, and share this video with your friends so we can continue to grow this channel. And look at that. That is some delicious, smoky, creamy chickpea sauce that will take our chickpeas to the next level. This big can will need a heavy-duty can opener. And for the chickpeas, I'm using canned chickpeas. This is because they are more softer than the ones you can boil at home, so this is totally optional. Make sure that you clean the can before you open it. And then after I was done opening, I went ahead and strained them and rinsed them up so they are ready to be added into my cooking pot. Give it a quick mix until everything is well incorporated, and then I let it simmer for a few minutes until everything is well cooked and well done. And at this point, I want to request you to subscribe to my channel, hit up the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. I also added in some water so as to loosen up the sauce a little bit, and then cover it up and let it simmer for a few more minutes. And as promised, this is the amount of seasoning I ended up using for this recipe. And there you have it. Our delicious chickpeas are all done. I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. Kindly share in the comment section and let me know how it came out. These were some very delicious chickpeas. The sauce, the spices, and the cream blended in so well, and you have to try to understand what I'm talking about. So I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. And until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.